Did you know human bones are 8 times stronger than concrete? Or that both humans and giraffes have 7 vertebrae in their necks? You will learn about these amazing human body facts and much more in this fascinating book for children. Packed with amazing 3D computer images highlighted in different colors, the skeleton book allows children to explore every bone and joint in the human body in minute detail. Take a look at the spongy inside and tough exterior of the bone structure. Learn about the longest bone in the body and see how bones grow with age. Find out how millions of years of evolution has helped the human body to perform so many tasks with precision. Become a fossil detective and see how archaeologists study and reconstruct ancient skeletons. Explore the future with bionic skeletons and 3D printed bones. With an embossed cover and a pull-out 5-foot skeleton poster inside the book, the skeleton book gives perspective for kids to study a life-size version of the human skeleton. Find the link below and buy the book now.